In the shadowy depths of the ancient Aztec world, a mysterious power loomed, a deity feared and worshipped, whose gaze could summon torrents or leave the land parched. Tlaloc, the enigmatic god of rain, fertility and water, was more than just a bringer of life. His goggle eyes and fearsome fangs told of a being who held the power of creation and destruction in equal measure. The Aztecs knew him as the ruler of Tlalocan, a paradise hidden from mortal eyes, where the dead found solace in eternal spring. But to the living, Tlaloc was a force of nature, unpredictable and unforgiving. The clouds that gathered over their cities could bring life-giving rains or unleash deadly storms. There was no bargaining with Tlaloc, no guarantee of mercy. In a land where the cycle of life depended on the whims of the weather, Tlaloc's favour was everything. When the rains failed, it wasn't just the crops that withered. The people too felt the sting of his wrath. The priests, desperate to appease him, would ascend the great temple steps, children in tow, their innocent tears believed to coax rain from the heavens. The ceremonies were grand, the sacrifices brutal. Tlaloc demanded nothing less than the purest souls, and the Aztecs, driven by fear and necessity, complied. Yet Tlaloc was not merely a taker. He was a giver too, bestowing bountiful harvests that fed the empire. The balance was delicate, and the Aztecs knew it well. They danced on the edge of a knife, where a single misstep could turn their god's blessings into curses. But the god's dominion was not uncontested. Within his realm the elements clashed, his thunderous rage met by the quiet rebellion of drought. When Tlaloc's clouds gathered, they did so with a fury, battling the dryness that dared challenge his authority. The skies would darken, the winds howl, and the earth tremble under the weight of his power.